Today we are making a cilantro rice recipe. It's super quick, easy, and way better than that Chipotle place people go to. First thing, rice cooker. Second thing, grab your jasmine rice. Today we are going to be making 3 cups because I am meal prepping. So 1, 2, and 3. Don't mind the 2 grains of rice I just dropped. But wait, we are going to grab our rice and a colander, Uncle Raja. Then we are going to wash our rice. Wash your rice, get all that nasty starch off of it. It'll make your rice fluffy and better. It takes about 6 times. Look at that clear water. Now you can also finger your rice to make sure you got enough water outside of measuring the line. So rice cooker, boom. Don't use quick rice, use white. It just comes out better. So limes, knife, penis, lime, cilantro. Now we're gonna take this. We're gonna roll them out because we want them nice and juicy. If you do not do this, it's gonna be hard and not in the good kind of way. Now slice these guys in half. Then we are going to go back to our rice. We need a finished bowl. Plop your finished rice inside of there. Boom, awesome. Take your cilantro, throw all that shit in there. All right, now we are on to our lime. Actually, lemon. Lemon has seeds inside of it. That's why I use a colander to catch all the shit. Then take your lime, juice of 2 whole limes, and zest of 1 lime. Boom. Simple as that. Whiskey smoked sea salt. Link in bio. It's absolutely amazing. Makes this whole entire dish. Then mix it all up and enjoy.